Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, tailgate step, remote engine start, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, rear step bumper. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather trim seats, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cargo area 115-volt power outlet, capless fuel filler system, audio, speed sensitive volume control, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.